Okay, course, welcome to week 11. Thought we would just work on sight singing again this week, level 2. As you can tell on this exercise here on the screen, there's a couple places we need to be really careful. We have a rest in measure 2 on beat 3. We have a rest in measure 4 on beat 4. And we have a rest in measure 7 on beat 1. And we also have skips in the melody. If you'll notice, there are skips in this melody. Just still on the tonic triad, which is do, mi, so, mi, do. Now the tonic triad is C, E, and G. And as you can tell over here, the last part of measure 6, we have a C and we have an E, and there's a skip from C to E. And then we skip up after the rest in measure 7, we skip up and sing G. And then we come down from G down to C, and that's going to be a little bit tricky with our syllables, so we'll practice that in just a minute. And then we got to get it in our ear. But what I will do is I'll play the exercise for you a couple of times like I did last week, and we'll work on this. Now I'm having to hold my camera here at the same time while I video this, so this is a little bit difficult. So if you see it move occasionally, and I'm sorry about that, but I'll try to keep it steady as possible. But anyway, what I want us to do first on this exercise is practice just the rhythm on ta syllable, okay? We have no eighth notes in this exercise, so we don't have to do TT. Remember, eighth notes, we always do TT. We always have to remember, though, too, we got to look at your dynamics. We start out piano for the first 4 measures, which means we sing softly. And then in measure 5, it's mezzo forte. So be sure we do those dynamics, too, as we sing this. So here we go. Let's read this together on just on the rhythm itself. Now I'll try to do this with close to the tempo that we'll sing this in. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, together. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 off. So there is our rhythm again as we speak it in rhythm. Okay. Now what we'll do next is do our syllables. So let's do do, re, mi, fa, sol, and let's just speak it in rhythm together. Okay, syllables. 1, 2, together, and do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, rest. Sol, mi, re, do, mi. So, fa, mi, do, off. Okay. So those are our syllables in rhythm. Now, as we normally do in the sight singing room, when we go get our judging and do it, we get to listen to it. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to cheat a little bit for you. We're going to listen to it a couple of times, just because this is practice. But we'll listen to it. Normally, we only get to listen to it once, remember, so when we're in there with the judge. But today, we'll listen to it twice. So there'll be a red line that'll appear on the screen as it plays the notes in rhythm. So here we go. Y'all watch this. Now that next to last measure is kind of tricky to get. It's kind of hard to get that in the ear. That sol, fa, mi, do. It's kind of tricky. Remember, you have a skip from mi to do there on those last 2 notes. So listen to it one more time. Let's see if I can pull this volume up a little bit more. I've got it wide open on the computer. See if I can get it more volume over here on the. Yeah, I've got it wide open. Okay, that'll work. Let's listen to it one more time. Okay, so let's see if we can sing this together, all right? Now, we don't get to sing it with them playing, so do is where we're going to start. So here we go together. We'll go slower. 1, 2, ready, begin. Do, re, re, mi, fa, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, mi, re, do, do, mi, sol, fa, mi, do, off. Okay. So that's our lesson for today. Sight singing level 2. Remember, level 2 is going to have some dotted half notes rest, as this exercise does here. It'll have some skips on the tonic triad. Okay. Y'all have a good week. We'll talk to you later.